Okay, so first things first is we're gonna get this exhaust out of here somehow. I'm gonna try to go like as close up as I can to the front. Just take the whole thing out and get it out of the way. To give me some room, I'm gonna take this tire off. So let's do that. Let's do that first. Well, that's 20 years of sitting for you. Cars ain't made to sit. You see? This is what we're going for. All right, right there where it mounts up to the downpipes. Oh, I can't see that other one. There it is. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that we have to get out of here. How we're gonna do that, I'm not sure yet. We're gonna try a couple things because they look old and nasty. Probably fucking 36 years nasty. Okay. Now, some people may think this is a little dangerous. And if you do, I do too. Especially because there's all this fucking oil down here, but we ain't gonna hit them long. We just gonna give them a light little warm up. So what have we done so far? We've hit them with some taps, and we've hit them with some heat. But you guys couldn't really see. You guys can't really see much. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best here. Just hit them with some lube. I'm gonna hit them with a little WD. I don't really know if this is gonna work, but got a socket on here. 13 on it. I don't think it's working. I think I need a deep side bit. Not possible. Okay. Can you guys see that? Get out of there. Get out of the socket. There we go. Look, guys, we got our first one. Woo! Actually worked. Thank you. Alright, let's see if we can get this on here. I think this is just stripping. Don't do this at home, gentlemen. This may very well fuck your shit up. Oh, yep, I fucked it up. Yeah, don't do that at home. I'm so surprised we got that first one off like butter smooth. That should have warned me. Should have been my omen sign. We'll give you the first one, but all the rest you gotta pay for. Okay, here we go. Boom, shakalaka. That's in there good. Got the juice to do that, brother. I'm gonna have to use the old thing God gave me. Fuck. Fortunately, God didn't give me much in that fucking department. I have no upper arm strength. I need a pry bar. I need a bar to put over this. I gotta find something. I'll never get it off. Alright, we're back. I just cut a piece of pipe to use as a cheater bar because I didn't have enough fucking balls to do it myself, mate. I just didn't have the fucking balls. Didn't have the fucking cojones. I didn't know the fucking goofy bumpy. Holy shit, that shit is tight. Oh, if this car fell, boy, I'd be dead. Yeah, I don't have it. I don't have the fucking strength. Brody. I don't know how to get the right fucking angle I need to get on this. Let's see. You can see him doing this blind. Alright, let's see. Oh, I'm dead if this car falls. Oh! We got movement, motherfucker. Y'all can't see a fucking thing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm trying. Okay. We got movement though. Oh yeah, we got movement. I'm gonna stick a fucking impact on there now. Biatch. Say I won't, motherfucker. Yeah, bitch. 2 down. Ugh. So we got that one off. That one off. That one's kind of rounded. Now we're trying to get that big one right there off. Somehow. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Is it in shot, guys? Can you see? Ow! Punch the goddamn jack. Oh, we got movement. Oh, we got movement. Alright. I don't think I broke my finger. This is good news. So, the good thing about this situation we're in, right, is, well, I'm gonna speak to, so let me take this bitch off first. Back my hat off. They all doubted us. They all doubted us. The good thing about the situation we're in is we've got all but this one bolt out. If this is like truly completely stripped and I can't get a 13 on there, I can take a grinder and fucking cut that bitch off, because it's at the bottom. Like, this is like the most open. It's probably the easiest bolt to cut. So we lucked out there. I don't really know what we're gonna have to do, so let's figure it out. That's a good view right there, Nick. That's not gonna do it. We gotta get it. before I completely take this off is I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna try to take this O2 sensor out. Now, it may not come out. And to be honest with you, if it doesn't want to cook and come out, I'm just gonna cut the wires and buy a new one. So it'll just have to be what it is type of situation. Tubes. Now what we have to do is go through and find where it's attached to the body on exhaust hangers. And so up here, it seems like that used to be a hanger, but it's no longer there. So I don't think that anything this way is holding it. So if we look, here's one. Right there. And it is like barely on. It's just dangling. What I can see, there's only two things holding this on now. There's the exhaust hanger we were just looking at, which is right somewhere in here. Hold on, I'll get you focused in on it. See it. I'm trying to zoom. It's right there. So that just kind of slides into it. So there's no bolts or anything. Then we come back further. There's this one here. That looks like it's just bolted in right there. One bolt. So let's drop this bolt and we're gonna try to slide this whole exhaust out. Okay, I think all that's left is one hanger. All right. Let's see it. Anyways, this shit is old as fuck anyway, so you can just cut it out. Oh yeah, there it went. Yeah. And just take this old beat up one off. Yeah, that thing is done. Nice, guys, we got the fucking exhaust out. I ain't gonna lie, that shit took me way longer than I thought it was going to, but at the same time going smoother than I thought, so I don't really know what the fuck I thought. Yeah, we got that bitch out though. So next on the to-do list is drive shaft. We gotta get this drive shaft out. First, we're gonna get the heat shield off. So let's get the heat shield off, drive shaft off, and then gas tank out.